Welcome to this short tutorial on using the distance formula to find the value of an unknown coordinate. We're going to solve a problem where we have 2 points, A at coordinates 2, -2, and point B at coordinates -1, x, where x is unknown. We're told that the distance between these points is exactly 5 units, and we need to find the value of x. Let's start by visualizing this problem on a coordinate plane. Here we have our x and y axes. First, let's plot point A at coordinates 2, -2. Then, let's plot point B at coordinates -1, x. Since we don't know the value of x yet, we'll use a placeholder value of x equals 2 for our visualization. The line connecting these points has a length of 5 units. To solve this problem, we'll use the distance formula. The distance between 2 points is the square root of the sum of the squared differences of their coordinates. For points with coordinates x1, y1 and x2, y2, the formula is the square root of the quantity x2 minus x1 squared, plus y2 minus y1 squared. Let's apply this formula to our specific points. Point A has coordinates 2, -2, and point B has coordinates -1, x. Since we know the distance is 5 units, we can substitute this value. 5 equals the square root of 9 plus the quantity x plus 2 squared. To solve for x, we need to isolate it. First, we square both sides of the equation to eliminate the square root. 5 squared equals 25, and our equation becomes 25 equals 9 plus the quantity x plus 2 squared. Next, we subtract 9 from both sides. 25 minus 9 equals 16, so the quantity x plus 2 squared equals 16. Taking the square root of both sides, we get x plus 2 equals plus or minus 4. Since we're working with distances, we'll use the positive value, meaning x plus 2 equals 4. Subtracting 2 from both sides, we get x equals 2. Let's verify our answer by plugging it back into the distance formula. If x equals 2, then point B has coordinates -1, 2. Using the distance formula, we get square root of the quantity -1 minus 2 squared, plus 2 minus -2 squared, which simplifies to the square root of 9 plus 16, which equals the square root of 25, which is 5. We can see visually on our coordinate plane that when B is at position -1, 2, the distance between A and B is indeed 5 units.